Hello, Education 555, and welcome to the last module of this summer course. As I mentioned before, modules 7 and 8 happen in this same week because it is a summer course, so let's check it out. Module 7 is Current Events, Final Project Preparations. Essential questions: what can I learn from current educational events? What is important about my chosen issue trend? And how can I communicate the issue trend? The required reading for this module is current event reading, which we'll talk about here in a little bit, and research for your final project. 7.1 discussion: do some research online to current trends and issues. Find a current event online article, something that's happened within the last month. Post a link to the article that you found and then answer these questions. Your post is due by Wednesday at midnight. Responses are due by Sunday at midnight. And then the final project. The due date for the final project is Wednesday, August 15 at 11:59 p.m. Make sure you check out the rubric here. There's more information about the final project here as well. I'm looking forward to seeing your TED Talks and your handouts. And then this section has a questions anyone, just like any others. So that is Module 7. Let's check out Module 8. Remember, we're combining both of those into 1 week. August 13 through 19, August 13 through 19, and Module 8. What can we learn from each other is our essential question for this module. The required reading is the trend, broad issue, school issue trend TED Talk handouts from your classmates, and watching the talks from your classmates. Course evaluation is in this section. Please make sure that you complete the course evaluation as I keep improving the course each semester, and your feedback is important, so please make sure you take time to do that as well. And then 2 discussions. 8.1, it's time to share your broad school issue trend TED Talk work. You're going to post a link to your TED Talk, and in the same post, upload your handout. After posting a link and uploading your handout, watch the other TED Talks and read the handouts, and then comment. What did you learn? What did you appreciate? What feedback do you have? Your initial post is due by Wednesday at midnight, and responses by Sunday at midnight. And then the last discussion of the course, 8.2, time to do some reflection. Respond to the prompts. You do not need to reply to the comments of other people, but you can if you want. Your response to the prompts is due by Sunday at midnight. Okay, so last module of the course is 7 and 8, and make sure that you keep working on your final project. Looking forward to seeing those. Thank you, everybody. We'll talk to you soon.